Hello everyone, I am Dr. Neha, practicing doctor at Bharat Homeopathy. In today's video, we will be talking about all kinds of foods that you can take in order to decrease your serum creatinine levels. In order to go ahead in the video, I would like to give you a brief about what exactly creatinine is and how it is basically produced in our body. Creatinine is a waste product. It is produced as a byproduct. It's basically a toxin that is made after protein digestion or after muscle breakdown. So this toxin is supposed to be excreted by your kidneys via urine. If your kidneys are not functioning properly, there is a buildup of this creatinine in your body, and this is reflected in your reports as raised serum creatinine levels. Now there are certain lifestyle habits and certain diet that you can follow in order to decrease your serum creatinine levels. So here in today's video, we will be discussing all about that. Now coming to the whole idea of a kidney friendly diet, it is basically a sodium restricted, a protein restricted and a potassium restricted diet. So if we come to vegetables, you have to choose vegetables that are low in sodium, low in potassium and low in phosphorus. Now these comprises almost all types of gourds. For example, ridge gourd, bottle gourd, round gourd, bitter gourd. Other than that, you can take capsicum, bell pepper, cabbage and cauliflower. You have to take a mix and match of all these vegetables. Now coming to fruits, 5 fruits are considered as kidney friendly fruits. These are apple, papaya, pear, guava and cherries. These 5 fruits are very kidney friendly. Why? Because it is low in sodium, low in phosphorus and low in potassium. Now the third category are the grains. What grains you can choose? You can choose wheat, you can choose vermicelli, oats and white millets. So any recipe that is made out of either of these grains you can take. Now the fourth point are the protein sources. Animal sources of proteins are absolutely restricted in kidney patient because they create a certain condition in your body called metabolic acidosis that can endanger your kidney functions. So in order to avoid any kind of complication, we advise patients to take plant-based proteins and that are easily digestible in nature. Now the last point in a kidney patient diet is the amount of water or the liquid that you can take. If you are a kidney failure patient and your creatinine is above, for example, 4, 5 or maybe 6, then there should be a restriction of the amount of water that you are taking in. Try and keep it lesser than a liter per day. This includes all kinds of liquid diet that you are taking, be it juices, be it any kinds of soup or anything. So the liquid intake should be anywhere lesser than 1 liter. And yes, last but not the least, try not to take anything harmful to your body, for example, alcoholic drinks, smokes, or any adulterated food items. So if you follow this kind of diet and keeping a check on your blood sugars and blood pressure levels, there are very high chances that your serum creatinine levels will go down. In case you want some more information, you can get in touch with our team, Bharat Homeopathy, and we will be there to help you. Thank you.